Hello, welcome back. In this video we will discuss about how we can select multiple records using the while select. So without wasting time, let's jump into the coding section and there I will show you. You already know that if you want to select the first record, then you can use firstonly or firstonly1 to select the first record from the table. But if you want to select the first 10 records, so what we will do, we'll see now. So you have to use the first 10. You can select the first 10, 100 or 1000. So here I'll select the first 10, and then you have to use the keyword while select over here, because it will loop through all the records one by one. And then what you have to do, just remove this comment once, and you have to insert this particular statement inside the while block. You have to use these two brackets over here, and then you can put your necessary info statement over this inside this two particular bracket. And remember that you don't have to use the semicolon here. So if you are using for first only record, then we don't want this kind of block, then you can use the semicolon over here. But in case of while select, you have to use this two bracket over here, and then you can write your necessary statement, whatever field you want to select, then that you can use here. Okay, and remember that we are using the 10 records. So if it will not get any kind of value over here, you will not be able to see any result. Okay, but if there will be a record, you can see each and every record from the cast table itself. Okay, then now what we'll do, we'll just start button to see the result. Now as you can see that our program executed, and you can see the account number over here, and you can see the 10 result over here. So if you want to see each and every field, if you want to see the each and every info, then you can click on the 10, and from the below section you can see that it is the first record DE001, and if you'll go above, it will show the 10 result over here. So using this you can use the first 10. So if you want to use the first 100, you can also do that. Just write over 100. If you want to 1000, then you can use here 1000 over here. Okay, so just type here 1000, and then you can hover the loop. So this way you can use first one, first only, first one, first 10, first 1000. Now let me talk about some important point for this particular select statement. So remember that the select statement fetches or manipulates data from the database. Point number 1, all select statement use a table variable to fetch records. This particular variable must be declared before the select statement can be run. The second point, the select statement fetches only one record or field to fetch or traverse multiple records. You can use the next statement or the while select statements. So we not talked about the next statement. We will talk about in the next video about the next statement. But you can use the select statement to traverse the record. The next statement fetches the next record in the table. If no select statement precedes the next statement, an error will occur. If you use a next statement, don't use the first only find option. If you use a next statement, don't use the first only find option. It's more appropriate to use the while select statement to traverse multiple records. The result of the select statement are written in a table buffer or the variable itself, or we can say it's a table buffer variable. Okay, so that's it for today. That's it for this particular video. We'll write the code for the next statement in the next video. Please continue watching. See you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.